In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your online privacy using the Brave browser's built-in features. So if you're looking to make your browsing experience safer by minimizing exposure to trackers and unwanted content, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First things first, open up your Brave browser. This is an essential step because everything we'll be configuring will be done within this browser. If you're not using Brave yet, it's a privacy-focused browser that automatically blocks trackers and ads. So once you have it open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see a small icon that looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. This is commonly referred to as the hamburger menu, and it serves as your gateway to all the settings within the browser. Go ahead and click on that hamburger menu. This will pull up a drop-down menu with several options. What we're interested in today is the Settings option, so locate that and give it a click. Once you're inside the settings, you'll notice a menu along the side with various categories. From these options, select Shields. Shields are one of Brave's remarkable features that focus on privacy and security at a page level. Now, under the category Trackers and Ads Blocking, you'll see a few different levels of protection to choose from. Select Aggressive. This option is designed to offer a more stringent blocking of trackers and ads, adding an extra layer of security and privacy to your browsing experience. It's perfect if you're deeply concerned about online tracking and the information that websites can gather about you. After you've set the tracking and ads option to Aggressive, let's focus on content filtering. Scroll down a bit until you find Content Filtering. This is your opportunity to configure how strict you want the browser to be in blocking certain domains. Maybe there are specific sites you wish to block from following you, or there might be domains you prefer not to interact with at all while browsing. While configuring the rules under Content Filtering, remember that this isn't a tool to entirely block access to websites, but rather to enhance your privacy and reduce exposure to unwelcomed content. You aren't putting up impenetrable walls. You're instead guiding the browser to allow less of the undesirable elements through. And there you have it. By these simple configurations in the Brave browser, you're taking a significant step towards fortifying your online privacy. Now you can browse with a bit more peace of mind, knowing that the web's prying eyes have been largely reduced. Thank you for tuning in, and don't hesitate to dive deeper into Brave's settings for even more customization. Safe browsing.